Hey friends, if applications are missing from the volume mixer on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now see, here's the thing. At times people say that a browser is missing from the volume mixer. Okay, so let's say even if I open the Microsoft Edge browser, you will not see it in the volume mixer directly. I'll show you. So for it to be on the volume mixer, you need to open a video or any such element which has audio, and unless that happens you will not be able to okay, I won't show this because it might cause a copyright claim, but to show that you need to play a video with an audio sound in it, and only then will it appear. And if that doesn't help, then right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab, scroll down, select troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters, and click on run corresponding to the audio troubleshooter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.